how you can reset your Roblox settings. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let us begin. So, to reset your Roblox settings, you won't be needing to go to your Roblox. What you will need to do is just open up your run. To do that, just press on Windows R key, and there you will see run pop up. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to type in regedit. After you do that, just make sure that you select yes and your regedit will open up. So here what you'll need to do is that you will see a lot of options. Let me show you the initial one. So this is what you'll be facing with currently. And what you need to do is go to H key current user. So after you're there, go to software, and under software you will need to search for Roblox. So just hit an R, and since I've already deleted all of my Roblox folders, I won't be having any Roblox folders right here, but you will find your Roblox folders right here. You will be having your Roblox and your Roblox Corporation folder. So all you need to do is right click on it and then delete it. So just select those two Roblox folders and delete both of them. And after doing that, you will have reset your Roblox settings. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is all for the video too. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.